Hey travelers, today we are going to check out the Air Canada Clean Care Kit. This is available to all passengers on the plane, regardless of class of service, and we're going to do an unboxing. So let's go ahead and open this up. I only have one of these, so if I make a mistake, maybe there will be no video, but we'll see. So on the outside it says there's a message from the Chief Medical Officer. I'll go ahead and open this up. Oh, so it comes in a Ziploc bag, so it's all sealed. And just to clarify, I did get this when I was touring the Jets flight the other day. I'll put a link to that video down below. They're flying a plane that is entirely business class seats on some select routes this December to sun destinations. Fun stuff. So let's open this up. First thing I see is pretzels. I like that. So because they're trying to limit the movement within the cabin by flight attendants and by guests, what they're doing is they're trying to eliminate the need for coming around for service. So we also have a small bottle of water. It's about 8 ounces. So given that the air filtration system on the plane works really well, that is also going to mean that there's a lot of air going past, which is going to mean it's a considerably drier environment. So this is great, but I would definitely recommend picking up a bottle of water once you get through customs so that you can stay hydrated on the flight. All right, and we've got this message, so let's see what this says. French and English. Basically says, thank you for doing your part in making the cabin environment safe for everyone on board. Wearing a face covering over your mouth and nose is an important additional measure all travelers can take to protect those around them. It is also mandated by Transport Canada, and refusal to comply could result in a fine. You are also reminded to practice good hygiene by frequently washing your hands or using hand sanitizer, and to cough or sneeze into your sleeve or a tissue. We're all in this together. Your cooperation is greatly appreciated. Good to know. And what do we have here? So this is an advertisement about the free COVID test that they're doing in Toronto Pearson Airport. It's pretty cool because what they're trying to do is they're doing a study to hopefully eliminate the 2-week quarantine that we currently have in place. So basically tells you that they're looking for volunteers, what you have to do, how to sign up. And it looks like if you participate in this, you get a free 30-day trial of Crave with the movies and HBO option for 1 month for new subscribers. You'll also be entered to win a contest for free tickets for 2 on Air Canada and 20% off your next flight on Air Canada. So, you know, a couple of motivators there. You can sign up in flight using the QR code at the end there. So it's a pretty cool trial. Would love to see something like this in Vancouver, just saying. So anyways, let's carry on. We have another disposable mask, always handy. Looks like we've got a couple of Sani wipes, antiseptic cleaning wipes, so really good for wiping down any of the consoles or any of the trays if you're going to be doing any work on the plane. So there's 2 of those included. And oh, we have earbuds. Well, they're not earbuds, they're earphones. But still, that's a pretty cool inclusion because normally they charge for everything, right? So this is a kind of a neat little thing. And you know what? Trust me, as somebody who used to travel a lot and hopefully will one day again soon. These are great. Just chuck them in whatever knapsack or carry-on bag or purse, whatever that you typically take with you. Just chuck it in the bag, leave them in there. And then that one time that you forget your favorite earbuds or your favorite earphones, at least you've got something that you can still listen to. Let's go ahead and I'm going to break these open just to see what kind of connector they have. And it is, what would this be? Not the lightning connector. So you will need a dongle to convert this over so you can use it with your iPhone or your Android device. And trust me, you can buy these for like $2 on Amazon next day delivery if you have Prime. But there you go, earphones. And last but not least, we have a small little container of sanitizer gel. Now this is, I don't know, like 1 ounce maybe, but you know, perfect for the flight if you've forgotten some, or just as a backup. You know, it's a great little thing. And again, then you can chuck it, especially, you know, if you're going down to Mexico or wherever you're traveling, or even Toronto, Vancouver, you know, anytime you're traveling, obviously, anytime you go out, you want to have some sanitizer gel on hand. And this is a handy little thing. It'll fit in a pocket, fit in a purse, and it's really not going to be too big and cumbersome. So there we have it. We've got lots of little goodies included in the care kit, in the clean care kit from Air Canada. And now you have it. There's the unboxing.